boarding now?
Yes, we're ready.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the departure briefing?
Go ahead.
Okay, we're at gate. The taxi route out to the departure runway will be as assigned by ATC. This airport does not use ASDX. We will use reduced thrust for takeoff. For the takeoff config, we will use flaps. Packs will be on. Anti-ice is not required. No noise abatement departure procedure is required. Thrust reduction vector follows departure. Okay, so I'll be the pilot flying today. During the takeoff roll, you call out any malfunctional warning and silence the oral warnings. I will then call stop or go. I will reject the tanker for any warning or condition that significantly affects the safety of the master caution system, tire failure, unusual noise or vibration, abnormally slow acceleration. If a side window opens, fire or fire warning. After V1, the takeoff will have to be continued and no action will be taken below 400 feet other than to apply toga and silence the oral warnings. Any questions?
No questions.
Departure briefing complete.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you all. My name is Sarah and I'm your cabin supervisor on your flight today. We would like to extend our welcome to our frequent flyers and guests from our other international partner airlines. You just stepped on board our Boeing 777. So we can depart as soon as possible. Please take your assigned seats, observe the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs.
Before start procedure.
Check.
Cockpit to ground.
Go ahead.
Please disconnect the GPU.
Roger, disconnecting the GPU. Captain, the air conditioning unit is disconnected.
Thanks.
Okay, starting pushback.
Before start checklist.
Before start checklist. Flight deck door. Closed and locked. MCP.
V2 is 189. Heading, track 153. Altitude 5000.
Feet. Takeoff speeds.
V1 is 178. VR 186. V2 is 189.
CDO pre-flight.
Completed.
Completed. Trim.
6.0 unit 0 and 0.
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Completed.
Before start checklist complete.
Start right engine.
Starting right. Oil pressure.
Tow equipment is removed.
Start left engine.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Starting left.
we will now commence the safety demonstration. Each aircraft may be different, so we'd appreciate your attention to the TV monitor closest to you.
Oil pressure.
You are clear for taxi. Please wait for my hand signal on the left-hand side. Goodbye.
Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. Anti-ice. Auto. Recall. Checked. Flight controls.
Checked.
Ground equipment.
Clear.
Before taxi checklist complete.
Clear left.
Clear right. The cabin is ready. Cabin crew, take your seats.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. After takeoff checklist complete.
That was Cathay 382 Heavy, passing flight level 220, climbing to 2900, inbound service. Squawk 1000, Cathay 382.
Cathay 382, identified, flight level 290 and proceed direct to Zürich, Bravo India, Romeo Golf.
Climbing flight level 290 and proceed direct to Virgi intersection, Cathay 382, thank you.
Expect my left runway 10.
Expect all left runway 10, Evelyn 310.
Cathay 382, leaving my sector and switching from 1 to 2 decimal 8.
Switching to 122 decimal 8, Cathay 382, thank you for service, have a nice day, bye bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome on board from the flight deck. We have just reached our cruising altitude, and we hope that you have a pleasant stay on board with us.
Hello.
Hi there, it's the captain from the flight deck. Would you awfully mind to bring us 2 cups of coffee, please?
Okay, I'll be out there in a moment.
Hello, gentlemen. Here are your drinks.
Thanks.
Budapest Control, sziasztok, Cathay 382 Heavy Flight Level 290, requested Flight Level 310.
Cathay 382 Heavy Budapest Control, sziasztok, radar contact level 290, climb flight level 310.
Climbing to Flight Level 310, Cathay 382.
Ryanair 456 Bravo, continue right heading 135 for the localizer report established.
135 for the localizer, call you established, Ryanair 456 down.
Cathay 382, leaving my airspace now for the ATC ahead, frequency change approved, CSM.
Switch to Unicom 122 decimal 8, Cathay 382 Heavy, és köszi az irányítás, Bálint, szia!
Hello.
there's the cockpit again. We are approaching our top of descent. Would you kindly prepare the cabin for arrival? Thanks.
Okay, thank you for the update. Please let me know if anything changes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our top of descent, so we will shortly be leaving our cruising level to begin our descent into our destination. Descent checklist.
Stand by. Descent checklist. Recall. Checked. Notes.
Checked.
Auto brake.
Auto brake is off.
Landing data.
VREF 147. Minimums 200 feet.
VREF 147. Minimums 200 feet. Approach briefing.
Completed.
Descent checklist complete.
As for the approach, we can expect the ILS approach. The decision altitude for this approach is 200 feet. For the landing configuration, we will use flaps 30. The landing runway is dry. Auto brake, we will use level 1. After landing, please leave the APU off. The arrival airport does not use ground radar, so turn off the transponder when vacating the runway. And it looks like we'll be arriving at a gate today. Taxi route in will be as assigned by ATC. As for concerns, terrain is a factor for the arrival. Any questions?
No questions.
Approach briefing complete. Notify the cabin to prepare for landing, please. Approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Altimeters.
1 0 0 0
1 0 0 0. Approach checklist complete.
Flaps 5.
Speed checked, flaps 5.
Gear down. Flaps 20.
Speed checked, flaps 20.
flap 30.
Speed check, flaps 30.
Landing checklist. Landing checklist completed.
Reverse normal. $60.
Shutdown checklist.
Shutdown checklist. Parking brake.
Set.
Shutdown checklist complete.
Thank you for flying.
Secure the aircraft.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. See you outside.